Welcome to Fantastic Math. This is Mr. V, and in this video we will expand binomial expressions using the identity for the difference of squares. In this example, we want to expand the expression x plus 4, x minus 4. And this expression is a perfect example of what we call the difference of squares. So an expression like this is actually pretty easy to expand, and we don't even have to necessarily do any working for it. So if we have the expression x plus 4, x minus 4, all we need to do is we need to look at the first term and then the second term. And we can expand it out by simply taking the first term and squaring it, in this case x squared, and then we're going to subtract the second term squared. Now this statement is the difference of squares. We've got two square numbers and we're trying to find their difference. I made a little mistake there. That's not to the power of 4, it's to the power of 2. And these are both squares. And so because they're both squares and we're subtracting them, that's the difference of squares. Hence where the name of the rule comes from. Now usually it's nice to just expand this out just a little bit more. We can make this x squared minus, and 4 squared, 4 times 4 is 16. And that's how we can expand an expression that is the difference of squares. Fantastic.